Okay, we continue our interviews from the International Edufair in Ashgabat 2019. Today, now we're with the representative of City University in Malaysia, International Marketing and Business Development Manager, Madam Sarah Lashkariani. Okay, Madam Sarah, we're pleased to see you in Ashgabat. So far, how are your impressions?
Thank you so much. I would like to appreciate government of Turkmenistan for granting the visa and this opportunity for the exhibition to City University of Malaysia. This is our first time attending an exhibition, an expo for education on behalf of City University. So far, everything was amazing.
It's November, it's chilling out a little bit. How is the weather?
Yes, it's really cold, but it's so good. It's fresh and everything is perfect. The people, the food, everything amazing, perfect.
What cuisine did you try? The one you enjoyed, or maybe fruits?
Turkmen food. I don't remember the name of the restaurant, but the coffee is really amazing. The food is so good.
Have you tried the Turkmen melon?
Not yet, I guess.
I recommend you, strongly recommend you before leaving. It's like honey. Anyway, let's talk about City University. Let the Turkmen student candidates
Yes.
get to know your university more.
Yes.
What are the majors that you offer?
City University established in 1984, so almost 35 of excellence. We are offering high education for international students, and as you can see in the brochures, we have 8 faculties. We are offering business, engineering, medical, hospitality, architecture, and we have around 4,000 students, which 40% of these students are international students.
Great.
Yes, from almost 30 countries. We have international students, even from Central Asia. That's why we started to think that we might
Expand your market to
Exactly.
Turkmenistan too?
Yes, because we have few Turkmen students which are amazing in City University. I mean, the quality of their education, the commitment, everything is perfect. So
You see the potential that
yes, exactly. And I saw the hardworking Turkmen students. So why not? We would love to exchange education with Turkmen nation.
Okay, you know that recently, I mean, we realize the theory doesn't always guide us in life. So when you study university, you need to get more engaged in more practical side of the knowledge too. I mean, things. What kind of programs or what kind of things that you offer for students to get the experience? Maybe it's an industrial training, maybe it's kind of programs which you can do internship.
Yes, we do offer internship to our students, especially for IT, hospitality, architecture, and engineering programs. As far as I know, most of our programs, it involves 4 to 6 months internship at the end of the study of the students. So we are working, for example, for IT industry, we are working with Microsoft, with HP to send our students before graduation for 6 months of internship.
And you said hospitality. I believe it includes also tourism industry and the hotel management.
Yes, actually, we are the only university in Malaysia that has a branch of Vatel program. It's a dual degree, City University and Vatel France. That it's a 4-year program, 3 years if I'm not mistaken, for our tourism and hospitality management program with collaboration for Vatel France. So our students are gonna get dual degree, like by the time of graduation they will get a certificate of bachelor from City University and another one from Vatel France, which is really a complete and good program for anyone who wants to be in hospitality industry.
Actually, when talking about the tourism, Malaysia and Turkmenistan still has a lot of potential in exchange. Are there any possibilities that you arrange kind of short courses or maybe training programs for those who are willing to learn hotel management, the tourism management?
Yes, of course, we can work on that. Why not? Our university is open to training programs as well, not only academic, undergrad and postgrad. We are very open to different kind of training. Actually, we do have a lot of oil and gas training in our university. We're having these potentials from North Africa, especially North African countries and Middle Eastern, that they are requesting for short courses on oil and gas training. So why not? Of course, we can provide hospitality training as well. No worries.
There was on the news that soon, like on February 2020, the direct flights from Ashgabat to Kuala Lumpur might start. So I hope it will somehow affect for the desire of Turkmen students studying in your universities in Malaysia overall. Okay, and how do you see those kind of bilateral growth in bilateral relations between these two countries?
It's amazing. It's really good. It's what we want for our students to be more comfortable. Either it's a flight, direct flight to Malaysia, or they need our help to find a hostel. I mean, room, an apartment, or they need us to provide them extra activities or anything that makes our student comfortable and happy beside their study. Yes, of course, we will be happy.
We thank you very much, Madam Sarah. We hope you will return to Malaysia with good memories. Okay, please forward our warm welcomes to your university administration, okay, to fellow friends. We hope the bilateral relations in all fields, including education, will grow and grow.
We hope that too. Thank you so much. Again, Government of Turkmenistan, your good self, Chamber of Commerce and all this, the people who helped us to have this event, we really appreciate it.
All right, thank you very much.
You're most
Okay.
welcome. Thanks.